What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another summer themed cocktail. And today's summer themed cocktail, guys, is the Roku Gin Tonic. We're continuing on with the gin cocktails. I think we can make it work with the Roku Gin. It's a little bit different from your normal gin, but I think we can make it work. It's not your normal gin that you use for a gin and tonic, as it's a bit more of a bitter tasting gin. So for the tonic, what I'll be using will be a passionfruit and lime flavoured from Fever Tree. I think I can make it work with raspberries and strawberry. I think we can have a gin and tonic that works with Roku. So let's build this cocktail. So let's make this G&T. So now we're putting some raspberries and strawberries. So let's have the raspberries in. Now we'll add the strawberries. So what I'm going for a proper summer theme. Like I said, it's what you think of in it with summer. Think of strawberries, raspberries, nice summer fruits. So to make a Roku G&T, guys, it's putting 60 ml or 2 ounces of a Roku Gin. So now you just top it up with tonic water. I'm using passion fruit and lime tonic water from Fever Tree. Personally, I think it's a nice combination with Roku. As simple as that, that's how you make a Roku G&T. And as simple as that, that's how you make a Roku G&T. Can we make this work? Has it worked? How does it taste? Personally, that's quite nice. It's certainly quite a refreshing taste. If I had to rate it, I'd probably give it a 7 out of 10. I think it works. Because I think the passion fruit tonic water, I think the passion fruit and lime tonic water works well with the Roku like that. So I'm trying to fight it. Because like I said, with Roku, it's certainly different from your classic gin, especially for a G&T. It's not your normal gin to use for a G&T, as it just has that extra taste, that herbal taste, like a little bit of extra bitterness to it. Because I've tried my best to work, but it's quite refreshing. It's certainly drinkable. Certainly not as crisp as your other ones, like your Botanis. Because if you wanted, you like your classic G&T, but I think the passion fruit makes up for it. Because if I was to use normal tonic water, I think it'd be too bitter. This, especially with Roku. But I think it's quite refreshing to taste this. Well, it's certainly drinkable, but I'd recommend it. Have you ever tried a G&T sales with Roku? Let me know your results. Because as I know some people that love the gin do not like Roku or find it hard to use. Because with Roku by itself, you can drink it by itself. It's one of those classic gins you can drink just by itself. But as soon as you use tonic water, it's a little bit something extra, because it takes a quiet taste, and I've tried my best to try and make this work. 7 out of 10, I think it's drinkable, I think it's nice, but it's certainly not my favourite G&T. It's not something I'd use for gin and tonic Roku gin, because it's just a little bit bitter than your normal gins that you're used to. But do let me know what you think of the Roku G&T in the comments below. So I do want to hear from you. Because have you ever tried it with a gin and tonic? Have you made it work with Roku? But I've been MixedSid. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktails like this, as it really does help the channel grow. And for my next cocktail, I will be doing the Dirty Shirley Temple, as that is going to be the go-to summer cocktail for 2022. You've heard it here first on that MixedSid, and I will see you then. Cheers.